Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create black tone preset and make your photos perfect. Look at the results before and after, it's just amazing, right? Preset can be downloaded for free. Link is in the description. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the preset is protected by a password. Please watch the full video so you can see the password and download the preset. The password consists of 4-digit number and will appear separately like this at the top. Enjoy. Let's get started. First, go to Light, Exposure plus 0.20. Contrast plus 30. Highlights minus 40. Shadows plus 39. Whites minus 31. Blacks to plus 20. Press curve. Follow these steps. If you're not subscribed to us, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And done. Next, go to color. Vibrance to plus 30. Temperature to plus 6. Saturation minus 10. Next, press color mix. Press red. Bring down saturation to minus 10. Luminance to minus 10. Press orange, bring down saturation to minus 30. Luminance to plus 14. Press yellow. Bring down hue and saturation to minus 100. Luminance to minus 19. Bring down saturation to minus 100 for green and aqua. Next, blue. Saturation to minus 85. Luminance to minus 31. Bring down saturation to minus 100 for violet and magenta. And done. Next, go to Effects. Texture to plus 20. Clarity to plus 10. They has A to plus 20. Vignette minus 30. Midpoint to 0. Press split tone. Bring the hue 250 and saturation 10 to highlights. Then hue 200 and saturation 9. For shadows. And done. Now copy this preset to another photo. Press copy setting. Paste setting here. If you not subscribed to us, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And turn on bell notification. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.